somebody was, they're all kinds of people, so some, come across as a very humble, very docile, and very carefree and very God-fearing. So there was such one individual, and he was there at the time of Imam Bayazid Bastami, Rahmatullah. So once Imam Bayazid Bastami was not able to lead the prayer for some reason, so he had such an individual in his mosque, on the face of it looked very humble, very, God-fearing individual. So people said, today you lead. So he said, no, I can't lead. He said, why you can't lead? He said, because I'm afraid that if I start leading the prayer before I go into the ruku, there, Allah may take my life and I will not be able to complete the salah. So I don't want to. He was showing that he had such high level of, taqwa, that he just was afraid that he may not even be able to lead the prayer because Allah may take his life and Allah knows when that life will go. People insisted, no, inshallah it will be okay, Allah, wills, so it wills, but, you lead. So he said, okay, I will lead this prayer, but I will not lead the next one. So as soon as he said this, Imam Bayazid Bastami said, come back, you're not worthy of it. So people said, why? He said, here he is saying that he may not know whether he will live from Qiyam to Ruku, and he is saying that I will not lead the next prayer, right? Now he's certain that he will live up to the next prayer, which means that there was contradiction. So it starts reflecting. Such things do not hide. And we know. We don't need to look at an incident of Imam Bayazid Bastami, Rahmatullah Alayh. We just need to look into our own life to know how many times we contradict ourselves on what we say we believe in and what we do.